Hey everyone. So this is a very basic video around what LLMs are and how they work. So quick question. Have you ever typed something into Google and it finished your sentence before you could, or maybe you have chatted with a chatbot or used Siri or Alexa? What if I told you all these are powered by something called a language model? And the really smart ones, they are called large language models or LLMs. Now, what is a language model? A language model is a computer program that has learned how to read and write languages, just like us. But instead of learning from a teacher or textbook, it learns from the huge amount of text, which is in the form of books, websites, and articles on the internet. Now, what does the large stand for in the word or in the term large language model? So the word large means that the model has been trained on massive amounts of information, sort of like it has read an entire library. The more it reads, the more pattern it sees, and the better it gets at guessing the next word, maybe the next sentence, or even whole answers. So how does it work? It doesn't think like a human. It just predicts what should come next in a sentence. For example, if I say once upon a, the model might say time. If I say the sun rises in the, it says east. Now, next question being where do we use LLMs? So, you're already using LLMs even if you don't know it. So, in your real life, you might have interacted with chatbots like ChatGPT, Google Translate, maybe spell check and writing apps like Grammarly, or voice assistants like Alexa or Siri. So, things to know. Even though LLMs are very smart, they aren't perfect. Sometimes they make mistakes. They don't really understand like humans, they just guess. And they can say things that are wrong or biased. That's why we still need people to check, to correct, and to guide the AI. So let's wrap up. So LLM stands for large language models and it learns language by reading a lot of text. It predicts words like a smart autocomplete and you see it in tools you already use. The future will be full of AI tools and now you know how some of them work.